All right, so I've kind of started a workbench area because I don't have an area over by the radio stuff, and I'm working on this frequency counter, and I kind of thought, well, you know what? I had both of these like sitting over here, so I decided to put everything over here, and it seemed to be like pretty good. So I think if I could make like another one and put it over there. Um, Otherwise, I guess this is probably not too bad. Like maybe mount a power strip onto the damn thing, and like a soldering station down below, and you could work on stuff. It's just an idea. But what I really wanted was like oscilloscope set up somewhere, you know, everything set up. It's too bad these big old huge oscilloscopes aren't more usable anymore. This one here doesn't work right. I don't know too much about this one. And then this digital one, unless the timing is absolutely set perfectly and you know what you're measuring, it's not always accurate. Anyway, it'd be nice to have a small little station just to work on stuff.